model, 2012 Volkswagen Transporter T3142.0 TDI long wheelbase, camper conversion. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 181825. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Engine clutch and gearbox are fine. Just needs straightforward. Head gasket replacement. Engine sounds fantastic, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, bed, alloy wheels, electric hookup, fridge, fully fitted camper, hob, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,